guys, I'm going to cook a nice pizza today at home, so I thought I'd share it with you. So I'm going to prepare it indoors and I'm going to go out and cook it in my Chiminea. Let's see how it turns out. So got myself some yeast, 7 grams of yeast. So 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then I'm going to let this stand for 10 minutes till it goes creamy. So I'm going to measure out 850 grams of white flour now, guys. So if you've got a scale at home, just tear the scale to take the weight of the bowl off. So 850 grams of this. Up she rises, ooh, up she rises, ooh. It's rare I'm indoors, guys, but I fancied it today, so I thought I'd share it with you. I'll be outdoors soon. This reminds me when you put petrol in the petrol tank. You're trying to get spot on the money. Bang on the money there, guys. So I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt to the flour, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1, 2. Right, now I'm going to add the yeast mix into the little well I've made. And then mix all this together. Gonna knead it, keep kneading the bread. And then I'm going to leave it to rest. So I'll leave this to rest now, guys, and then I'll start making the pizza base and adding the topping, and then I'm going to spark my Chiminea up. Voila! Bit of mozzarella there, guys. So we've got mushrooms, onion, olives, tomatoes, and pepperoni, and a nice bit of garlic there, guys. My stomach's rumbling, the thought of it. So I've knocked all these up now, guys, and I'm going to go out in the garden. I'll spark the chiminea up, so I've got some nice oak on there. Going to let that go down to nice coals, heat the unit up, so it'll be nice for baking this lovely pizza. So how nice does that look, guys? That's going to go in. So what I wanted to say, guys, was I wanted to do a bit of home cooking today and show you how I'm going to make a pizza, and obviously use my chiminea in case you guys want to have a crack at this. And also I wanted to say thanks a lot for all my subscribers and all the great comments and that. Just love reading them and answering them and making videos for you guys. So going to put this on, and me and Mrs. Bushwhacker's going to enjoy this. And also wanted to mention that Mrs. Bushwhacker is bitten by the bug. So Louise's Ventures, she started up her channel. Obviously Becky Outdoors, as you know, and me, and now Mrs. Bushwhacker started her channel, which is going to be a lot of cooking based activities and bushcraft. So she's called, I'll leave the link in the bottom, she's called Made in the Woods. So if you'd like to check that out, give her a subscription and a like, much appreciated. So we're all at it now, guys. So I'm going to go and whack this in, and thanks for watching, and me and Mrs. Bushwhacker will enjoy this. Guys, can't get enough of them. Get out there and get one of these made and get it in your stomach, guys. Look at that, beautiful. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe to Mrs. Bushwhacker's channel. Check that one out, she's got a few videos on there. She's going to build the channel up, so it's Made in the Woods. And see you on the next one, guys. Enjoy the great outdoors. Cheers.